Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Maharashtrian special dish, that is Puran Poli. So this is a dish which is Maharashtrians like it a lot and it's really tasty. It's a kind of stuffed paratha. It's with a sweet stuffing, and these are all the ingredients that you will be requiring for this. This is a chana dal which has been soaked and then it has to be done it has to be processed. I'll show you what all will be done with this one. And this is jaggery, and this is the wheat which is kneaded and kept. So that's all that you will be requiring to make this stuffed paratha which is called Puran Poli, and let's see how to do it. So before diving into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So now the next step is that I have put some oil, just 1 spoon of oil on the top of this dal which was soaked in water, and then I'm going to put it into the pressure cooker and put 2 to 4 whistles, like on the basis of however it is required to completely get it boiled. So I'm putting it in the pressure cooker now and will get it completely boiled. So now I am taking out this chana dal which I have boiled. I have put like 4 whistles. So now depending on your pressure cooker and how much it is required, you have to put the number of the whistles. But it has to get completely boiled. You have to just take it out and then we'll show you the rest of it. So now the next step is I have put it into a net type of structure to just drain out the complete water with which I have boiled it. And now what I'll do is that I'll take it and mix it with the jaggery which I had shown you previously, and we'll be boiling it to make a smooth paste, and we'll have to keep on stirring it constantly so that it becomes a complete molded mixture with this chana dal and the jaggery. Let's see how to do that also. Now here I have just taken a bowl in which I am putting out the boiled chana dal which is completely drained out of water, and we'll also be mixing with the jaggery which is kept here. You can take jaggery powder also, but I have bought a lump of jaggery and then have grated it down. So now what you have to do is that you have to completely mix it with the jaggery and you have to keep on stirring it constantly so that the lumps does not exist. Here goes my jaggery. You have to mix it completely and keep on stirring it. So the quantity of the jaggery depends upon how much sweet you want. There's no hard and fast rule to this. On the basis of the proportion of the chana, you have to take the jaggery. And being jaggery, it's not very harmful for health also as compared to sugar. So it's not that difficult also to have it in your meal for one day or occasionally for that matter. So now I have to keep on constantly stirring it so that it will also leave water. The dal will also leave water from its own. So see, you have to keep on stirring it constantly. Now you can see the jaggery has been completely mixed with the dal, and also the water which was released by the dal and the jaggery both has completely been almost dried. You have to further stir it for some time. I'll be stirring it for another maybe 5 minutes, and we'll make it completely dry, and then we'll be taking it out of the pan, and that is what will be my stuffing for the Puran Poli. Now that the chana dal has completely been mixed with the jaggery and it is completely dried out also, you can see that. Now what we'll be doing is that I'll have take a wide mesh like this, and then we'll be doing pressing the dal so that the fine things come out and there's no granules of it left, because after even stirring for quite a long time also there might be some granular particles, which is not what we are looking for inside the stuffing. That is why this process is done. So we'll be doing that now, and we'll be mixing it into a very fine and smooth kind of a dough, and that will be my major stuffing. This is how it looks after mashing it in the netted thing. You see, there's no granular particles left, and that is how we are going to do the entire stuffing of it. So now that my stuffing is completely done, see here the stuffing is done, it has no lumps in it right now. So now I am making the atta and a round kind of a shape. So now we'll be putting that stuffing inside it. It's like a paratha, but that was the major thing about the stuffing which makes it really great in taste. So here goes the stuffing inside. And then have to roll it like, you know, a normal stuffed paratha how you do it, with atta on the both the sides. Now we have to put it into the pan like the way you fry a normal paratha. Have to exactly same way you have to do this also. So how that is completely done, it is you know, this sweet stuffed paratha which is called puran poli, and that is how you make it. I mean, it is just roasted with the oil, or you can make use of ghee. Ghee is the one which goes really well with this thing. So you can fry it with ghee as well, and that is how it is being done. So it is now great and ready to be served. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Hope you liked it and hope it was informative and useful for you. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. Bye bye, take care, stay tuned.